Welcome to Bike Update, your trusted source for all the latest updates and reviews in the world of aviation, automotive, and more. While today's video is focused on something beyond motorcycles, we're still bringing you the excitement and performance you expect. In today's episode, we'll be talking about one of the most incredible machines ever created for air dominance, the 2025 F-22 Raptor. This fifth-generation fighter jet remains at the forefront of military aviation, combining stealth, speed, and advanced technology to maintain its position as a leading fighter aircraft. So, let's dive into the incredible details and features of the 2025 F-22 Raptor. A new era of air dominance. The F-22 Raptor has long been a symbol of unmatched air superiority. First introduced in the early 2000s, it has undergone continuous upgrades and enhancements to remain one of the most capable fighter jets in the world. The 2025 F-22 represents the culmination of years of development, offering cutting-edge advancements that push the limits of aerospace technology. While it retains its core design and capabilities, the 2025 iteration brings refined stealth capabilities, improved avionics, and optimized performance features. Its primary role is air superiority, designed to dominate both air-to-air and air-to-ground combat situations. What sets the 2025 model apart is the integration of more advanced radar-evading technologies, which enhance its ability to operate undetected in hostile environments. With its sophisticated radar, sensors, and software, the F-22 Raptor maintains a strategic edge that makes it a key asset to any air force. Stealth and design, the ultimate fighter jet aesthetics. One of the defining features of the F-22 Raptor is its exceptional stealth capabilities, allowing it to operate in contested airspace without being easily detected by enemy radar. The 2025 F-22 continues this legacy with further refinements to its design that reduce its radar cross-section even more effectively than its predecessors. The sleek, angular design of the F-22 is not just for aesthetics. Every aspect of its shape is optimized for stealth, with carefully placed edges and surface treatments that reduce its visibility on radar systems. The stealth coating on the F-22 is another key upgrade, reducing its infrared signature, making it harder for enemy sensors to detect. With the 2025 model, the Raptor remains virtually invisible to most radar and detection systems, ensuring that it can conduct surprise strikes with impunity. Furthermore, the Raptor's reduced thermal and acoustic signatures make it a formidable presence in both air-to-air combat and precision strikes on the ground. Unrivaled speed and agility, performance at its best. In terms of raw performance, the F-22 Raptor is unmatched. Capable of reaching speeds in excess of 1,500 miles per hour, Mach 2, the F-22 is one of the fastest aircraft in the world. Its super cruise capability, the ability to fly at supersonic speeds without using afterburners, makes it incredibly efficient and effective in combat scenarios, particularly when engaging in high-speed interception or pursuing adversaries. The 2025 F-22 has enhanced aerodynamics and engine thrust vectoring capabilities that improve maneuverability, especially at high speeds. With two Pratt & Whitney F-119 PW100 engines, the F-22 delivers superior thrust-to-weight ratios, allowing it to outmaneuver virtually any opponent. The aircraft's agility is critical during dogfights, where split-second movements can determine victory. With the 2025 model's upgrades, the F-22 can make more rapid, precise movements in extreme conditions, making it a formidable adversary in close combat as well. Avionics and technology, a step ahead of the competition. The 2025 F-22 Raptor is equipped with some of the most advanced avionics and electronic warfare systems available, providing the pilot with unprecedented situational awareness and operational flexibility. The aircraft features a combination of radar systems, including the N/APG-77 radar, which allows it to track and engage multiple targets simultaneously while remaining stealthy. This radar system is capable of detecting and tracking enemy aircraft from over 150 miles away, giving the F-22 a significant advantage in intercepting threats before they even know the jet is there. Another key upgrade in the 2025 F-22 is the integration of AI-driven systems that enhance decision-making for pilots. The jet is equipped with state-of-the-art sensor fusion technology, which takes data from a variety of sources, including radar, infrared sensors, and communications, and presents it to the pilot in a streamlined, intuitive interface. This allows for faster decision-making and response times in combat situations, significantly increasing the effectiveness of the aircraft during both offensive and defensive operations. Combat capabilities: versatile and lethal. While the F-22 Raptor is primarily designed as an air superiority fighter, it also excels in multiple roles thanks to its advanced technology and versatility. The 2025 model can conduct both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions, enabling it to engage enemy aircraft, ground targets, and even perform strategic strikes. The precision strike capabilities of the F-22 have been enhanced with new targeting pods and advanced munition systems, allowing the aircraft to engage high-value targets with extreme accuracy. The F-22 is also designed to support multi-role combat missions, which makes it adaptable to various battlefield scenarios. From intercepting enemy bombers to conducting stealthy reconnaissance and close air support, the 2025 F-22 is a highly versatile asset in modern military operations. Its ability to quickly adapt to different threats and environments makes it an invaluable tool for any military force. Advanced cockpit and pilot experience. The cockpit of the F-22 Raptor is an environment that maximizes the pilot's performance, comfort, and situational awareness. The 2025 F-22 model introduces even more advanced heads-up display (HUD) systems, providing critical flight data directly in the pilot's line of sight. The aircraft's cockpit also features an advanced glass cockpit with touchscreen interfaces, making it easier for the pilot to interact with the aircraft's systems. The seat and controls are ergonomically designed to accommodate long-duration missions, reducing pilot fatigue. Moreover, the inclusion of helmet-mounted cueing systems allows the pilot to target threats without having to rely on traditional targeting systems, offering unprecedented control and flexibility in combat situations. The cockpit's integration of AI and automated systems also helps the pilot stay focused on mission objectives by handling routine tasks and reducing cognitive overload. Maintenance and durability, built to last. Maintaining an aircraft of the F-22's caliber requires a high level of precision and reliability, and the 2025 model continues to build on the F-22's reputation for durability. The aircraft's design has been optimized for ease of maintenance, with advanced diagnostic systems that allow ground crews to quickly identify and resolve issues, reducing downtime. The use of advanced materials and coatings ensures that the F-22 can withstand the harshest operating conditions, from extreme temperatures to high-speed aerial maneuvers. The 2025 upgrades also include improvements to the F-22's aerodynamic design that reduce wear and tear on key components, ensuring a longer operational life. These enhancements are a direct result of ongoing innovation in materials science and aircraft engineering, helping to ensure that the F-22 remains a formidable force for years to come. The future of air superiority: why the F-22 Raptor remains unmatched. As we look toward the future of military aviation, the F-22 Raptor remains a dominant force in the skies. The 2025 upgrades push the boundaries of what's possible in terms of stealth, speed, maneuverability, and combat capabilities. While the development of new fighter aircraft is always on the horizon, the F-22 Raptor's combination of cutting-edge technology, unmatched performance, and versatility ensures that it will continue to play a critical role in air combat for many years. Whether it's engaging enemy aircraft in dogfights, providing close air support to ground forces, or carrying out precision strikes on strategic targets, the F-22 remains an indispensable asset to any military. The 2025 model solidifies its place as a true leader in the field of aviation, embodying the future of air combat and air dominance. Conclusion: a true masterpiece in modern aviation. To wrap things up, the 2025 F-22 Raptor is a testament to the incredible advancements in aerospace technology, and it continues to set the standard for what a fighter jet should be. With its unmatched combination of stealth, speed, advanced avionics, and combat capabilities, the F-22 Raptor is a force to be reckoned with in any conflict. As the military continues to adapt to new threats, the F-22 will remain a cornerstone of air superiority for years to come. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates and reviews on cutting-edge technology in aviation, defense, and more. Until next time, keep soaring high.